discuss, emotions expressed after triggers, nurture and console, provide reassurance when doubt enters, encouragement to pursue goals and dreams, the loving affection that feels alive and electric through the bad, ugly, traumatic, and natural disasters. True love prevails.
Woohoo!
So excited, and hopefully y'all are too, to kick this party off, because if you know anything about these two and everything that they've been through and everything that they've overcome and everything that they've done together and apart, the fact that they have found each other and that they're going to have this wonderful life together, I can't think of anything that's more exciting to celebrate. And Carrie and Karen, may the love you have for each other and the commitment you've made to each other be forever strong. Here's to Mrs. and Mrs. Carrie and Karen Strong.